Sterling Car Insurance Review, Usage Experience. Links to Sterling Car Insurance are in the description below. In this review, I'll cover its key features, who it's best for, and my overall experience. Sterling Car Insurance is known for offering tailored coverage with a focus on high-value vehicles and specialist insurance needs. It provides comprehensive third-party fire and theft and third-party only policies with flexible options to suit different drivers. One of Sterling's standout features is its expertise in insuring high-net-worth individuals, luxury cars, and classic vehicles. If you own a prestige or performance car, Sterling provides agreed value policies, extended coverage for expensive repairs, and access to specialist repair networks. For everyday drivers, their standard policies include benefits such as uninsured driver protection, courtesy cars, and windscreen cover. Sterling also offers multi-car policies, ideal for families or individuals with multiple vehicles, helping to consolidate insurance costs under one provider. Breakdown cover, legal protection, and key replacement services are available as optional add-ons, giving drivers the flexibility to enhance their coverage. Customer service is another strong point. Sterling is known for its personalized support with dedicated account managers for high-value policies and a 24/7 claims helpline. The claims process is generally smooth, with a focus on quick repairs and minimal disruption. However, since Sterling operates more as a niche provider, its policies may be priced higher than mainstream insurers, particularly for everyday vehicles. Overall, Sterling Car Insurance is best suited for owners of high-value, classic, or luxury cars who need specialist coverage and a tailored insurance experience. While standard drivers can also find reliable policies, Sterling's strength lies in its ability to provide premium protection for vehicles that require extra care. If you're looking for personalized service and comprehensive coverage, Sterling is worth considering. Check the links in the description for more details or to get a quote.